Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making a peppermint body butter that will be perfect for a Christmas gift this holiday season. I will be creating my own essential oil blend using the essential oil blending kit from Oslove Organics to give my body butter that familiar holiday aroma. This essential oil blending kit contains 10 pure organic essential oils as well as 10 dropper bottles so that you can create and label your own essential oil blends. This holiday package is a limited offer, so be sure to check the description box down below for more information from Oslove Organics. Thank you Oslove Organics for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring the 2023 Oslove Holiday Series. This Christmas, I will be giving away 6 of these peppermint body butters, so be sure to stay to the end of the video to enter for a chance to win. Without further delay, let's jump into this video. Starting with essential oil blend A, I am using a combination of peppermint essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, and grapefruit essential oil. I want the peppermint to be the dominant aroma, so 50% of the essential oil blend A is peppermint essential oil, followed by 25% of eucalyptus, which also has a cooling effect on the skin, and 25% of grapefruit essential oil so that the minty aroma will not be too overwhelming. I'm making sure to mix well after adding each oil. Overall, the final mixture is very Christmassy and minty. It is a pretty strong smell as well, so a little bit goes a very long way. Once I have my mixture, I can add it directly into the dropper bottle. These little bottles are so cute, and I love that they are amber glass to protect the essential oils. I also added a label so that I can know which oil is which. This could be a wonderful gift for a loved one or friend, or you can keep it for yourself to scent your own DIY creations. It is a personal gift because you are creating the blend yourself. You can also keep it to scent your own DIY creations. For essential oil blend B, I am also using peppermint essential oil for its minty fresh aroma. I'm adding wintergreen essential oil to enhance that minty aroma and lavender essential oil to make sure it's not too overwhelming. Once again, I'm using 50% peppermint essential oil, followed by 25% wintergreen essential oil and 25% lavender essential oil, which has calming and soothing properties. The final mixture of blend B is pretty mild. I was actually surprised that the lavender essential oil stood out more than the peppermint. Even though I used more peppermint essential oil, the aroma was still pleasant, but I would need to use a lot in order for the aroma to show through in a body butter. All in all, I love both mixtures. I had so much fun creating these essential oil blends. I felt like a little kid at Christmas. Honestly, this could also be such a fun activity for your family or friends. I highly recommend. Now that we have our essential oil blends, let's make our body butter. I'm using natural and organic butters from Oslove Organics. Oslove Organics butters come in chunk form directly from the manufacturer, so they have not been previously melted or reshaped. This ensures an extra creamy and rich whipped body butter. In order to melt down our butters faster, I am cutting them into smaller pieces. First up is Murumuru Butter. Did you know that Murumuru Butter ranges in color depending on how fresh the seeds are? The drier the seed, the deeper the yellow color. Oslove Organics offers Murumuru Butter that is purely white and great for skin and hair care due to its delicate texture. Next, I am cutting up Tucuma Butter, which also has a glossy texture to it. It is similar to Murumuru Butter but is slightly harder. It personally reminds me of mango butter. Next, I am cutting up Cupuacu Butter, which is slowly becoming one of my favorite butters because it is so creamy. I love what it adds to body butters. It belongs to the cocoa butter family, but it is way softer than cocoa butter. It does have a roasted cocoa aroma, but it does not come through in the final product. It honestly reminds me of a mixture of shea butter and mango butter. Now that we have our butters, we can melt them down on low heat in a water bath. While our butters melt down, let's prepare our liquid oils. I'm using natural and pure oils from Oslove Organics, starting with 100 grams of avocado oil. Avocado oil is known for its skin healing properties and reducing signs of aging. It has amazing moisturizing and skin conditioning properties. I am following that up with a little bit of cranberry seed oil, which is a very powerful antioxidant that also has skin healing and moisturizing properties. Now that our butters are melted down, we can add in our liquid oils while they are still hot. Be sure to mix it well until uniform. Now you can pour the mixture into a deep container. This will make it easier to cool down in the freezer and make it easier to whip up later. Be sure to cover it before placing it in the freezer. Depending on the batch size, the mixture can take 20 to 45 minutes or longer to solidify. Here is what the butter is looking like. It is harder around the edges and top, but still semi-liquid in the middle. Now we can go ahead and start whipping. I am using a hand mixer with only one attachment since the bowl is narrow. At first it will be hard to whip up the butter, but don't give up. As it warms up, the butter will soften, making it easier to whip. Butter tends to stiffen when it's colder and melts instantly in contact with warm skin. Keep whipping until the butter becomes silky and smooth. Be sure to stop in between whips to scrape the sides and add your vitamin E and essential oil. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects oils and butters from oxidation. It is important to improve the shelf life of your product. However, it is not a preservative. I will not add a preservative to this butter because you really don't need one since there is no water in this butter. Be sure to avoid water or wet hands in the jar to preserve it longer. Next, we can add our essential oil. I decided to use the essential oil blend A to scent my body butter. It has a stronger aroma and gives me that Christmassy holiday vibe. It smells really good and it literally has my whole house smelling like candy canes. After adding in your fragrance and vitamin E, give your body butter another good whip until it is silky smooth and creamy. Now you can see just how beautiful this butter is. Just see how pretty it is. Now I will separate a small portion into another bowl so that I can color it. Just look at how beautiful this butter is. It looks like soft serve ice cream or some kind of frozen yogurt. It looks so creamy and smooth. Now coloring your body butter is completely optional. I am doing this just to stick with the theme of the peppermint. I'm using the mica to give it a pinkish reddish color to mimic a peppermint or candy cane swirl. I actually love how the color came out. I believe it complements these adorable rose gold tints perfectly. These tints have peekaboo windows so you can see inside, and I thought they were the cutest things. And I wanted to showcase the swirl in the peekaboo window, but the lids just end up smashing the design, but I still believe it came out cute, and I was really excited to use these containers. And don't worry, I did go back and fill up the jars more. The swirls were really just for entertainment purposes for this video, so don't worry, I definitely made sure to fill up the jar. So I have 6 of these tins to give away for the Oslove holiday Christmas giveaway. If you would like one, please be sure to read the description box down below carefully. Also, be sure to avoid scams. Thank you all so much for taking the time to read the description box carefully before entering the giveaway. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you Oslove Organics for sponsoring this video and the giveaway. Also you guys, be sure to check the link in the description box down below for the essential oil blending kit. It is a limited time holiday offer, so be sure to check it out before it's all gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!